Tired of trying to listen in a Google Meet while also typing notes at the same time? That's exactly what tldv fixes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and use it inside Google Meet, step by step. Let's get into it. First, open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for tldv and click Add to Chrome. This installs the extension that lets tldv jump into your Google Meet calls. Next, sign up using your Google account. This automatically connects your calendar, so tldv already knows about your upcoming meetings. Quick tip: click the puzzle icon in your toolbar, find tldv, and click the pin so it's always visible and one click away. Now let's jump into a real Google Meet call. Once you're in, look at the meeting controls at the bottom. You'll see the tldv button sitting right there. Click that button, and tldv's bot jumps into the meeting to start recording and transcribing everything live. If the bot lands in the waiting room, just click Admit and Record inside your tldv extension pop-up, and it joins right in. While you're talking, tap the pin icon anytime something important comes up. That creates a timestamp note you can jump straight back to later. When the meeting wraps up, click Stop to save your recording. Then hop over to your tldv dashboard. Your transcript and AI summary are already waiting for you. And that's it. No more scribbling notes mid-meeting. tldv's got it handled for you.